Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana, which I wanted to cover earlier today because we actually got a bullish breakout. 170 and 171 was the main level I was talking about in my last couple of videos, and we actually were able to break above that. So I was quite bullish this morning. I thought Solana was doing great. But right now, I mean, I must say that, sure, we did get a solid bullish breakout. Which is good, all right. That's definitely not bearish, all right. A bullish move is always bullish, but I am not convinced yet that we will actually rally from here, all right. What I still see with Solana is that, all right, well, overall, I think that the trend is still up, all right. So if you look at something like this, I think this is accurate. I think this is valid. And I think it's reliable, all right. And apart from that, even if it's not reliable, we have so much support right here between 162 and ultimately 157.5 that a lot has to happen in terms of bearish momentum in the market before I would say that Solana is bearish. But Solana not being bearish does not immediately equal that Solana is bullish, all right? And what you see right now, and that's what I wanted to show you, is that Solana right here did gain some momentum, but it's doing something very, very similar to Bitcoin, and that is that we for the last 24 hours, a little bit longer, we've gained momentum over the course of the day, and then towards the end of the day, and it's not always at the beginning of the day we're bullish and then at the end of the day we're bearish, but what you see is some sort of a formation forming where we have some buy orders coming in, but then also a sell-off. And what you need to actually get a sustained bullish breakout that turns into a rally, all right, so into a bullish Solana, is you need that open interest increase to continue increasing. We need to see some sort of a breakout right here. So right now we're battling up against this resistance. And what we need to see is some sort of a breakout above, let's say, $2.5 billion in positions. And once we have that, we know that there's actually new momentum coming in, and that Solana can break out and rally. Because apart from the level around 170, there's also still a relatively strong level right here around 175, which is also a psychological resistance level. And right now, purely technically, the EMAs are still relatively flat as well. So maybe I think breaking above 170 could be good enough, but you just need to see it in combination with an increase in the open interest. Otherwise, it's going to be very, very tough to actually get that breakout and keep it. So hold the breakout so that it doesn't turn into a fake out, and to actually get some moves afterwards. All right. If we look at the last time that Solana rallied, you can see we gained a ton of momentum, and that's just not going on right now. All right. So overall, what I expect for now is that the current market structure will continue, and that is a consolidation. All right, so we might have some sort of a spike up to 175. If Bitcoin really dumps down to 66,000 right here, which is a major support level, it's a possibility. Then Solana could also spike down to 160, excuse me. But ultimately, I do think the consolidation here holds. I see no reason to get a breakout today, but that could change. I'll keep you updated. But the breakout that I think is most likely, and that's still in line with what I said yesterday as well, is still the bullish breakout right here. All right. Like I said, ultimately, I think the direction of the markets is still up, is still bullish. And I think if you look at Solana specifically, that's also still a bullish market structure. And Solana against Bitcoin actually broke out and is bullish now. So that's important as well. So overall, that's what I expect. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.